Okay, now what?
If my calculations are correct, we should be tall enough to reach that lever if all three of us...
Gary? Hang in there! Whoa! Okay, new plan. What are we gonna do? Okay, let's just figure this out.
I have an idea.
Yeah. Now's not the time, Courtney. I'm just trying to figure out how we're gonna get up to that lever.
Hey, Leonard.
Huh? Oh, that could work. It's stuck! We need more weight!
Okay, here goes.
It's moving! Oh, that's not good. Gary, any way you can bring me the gadgets?
No, there isn't.